If you're running a Shopify store and you install the Vitals app, you probably notice something pretty quickly. There are a lot of features, like a lot. Product bundles, frequently bought together, sticky add to cart, upsells, review widgets, trust badges, countdown timers, progress bars. And the problem that most store owners run into is this. They install everything. Suddenly, the product page is overloaded with widgets. The store feels cluttered, and instead of increasing revenue, conversions actually drop. What's going on, everyone? My name is Kyle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Vitals app properly, and more importantly, which widgets actually increase average order value. By the end of this tutorial, you will know which features to enable, which ones to ignore, and how to structure them so they can actually increase revenue. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the app, let's talk about why average order value matters so much. Most store owners focus on traffic. They try to get more visitors. But often, the fastest way to increase revenue is simply increasing the value of each order. For example, if your store gets 1,000 visitors per month and converts at 2% with a $50 AOV, you generate $1,000 in revenue. But if you increase the AOV to $70 using upsells and bundles, revenue jumps to $1,400 without any extra traffic. That's a 40% revenue increase just from optimizing the purchase experience. That's why tools like Vitals can be so powerful when configured correctly. Now let's jump into the app. Inside Shopify, in the left column, go all the way to the bottom and select Apps. Then in the search bar, simply type Vitals and open it. Once it opens, you want to click Install and then click the Install icon. Vitals offers a free trial, so you can test all the features before committing, which is great because it gives you time to actually see which widgets impact your store. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, I've included a link in the description below where you can start a 7-day free trial. That way you can set everything up as we go. Once you have installed the Vitals app, you want to then click Continue to Vitals and Start Free Trial. You'll notice right away that Vitals combines dozens of apps into one platform. This is helpful because instead of installing 8 to 10 apps, you can manage everything from a single dashboard. However, the key here is not to enable everything. You want to focus on the features that actually increases your AOV. There are 4 widgets in Vitals that consistently increase your average order value. Those are product bundles, including frequently bought together, free shipping progress bar, post-purchase upsells, and cart upsells. And I'll walk you through each widget step by step. The first widget is product bundles. This is easily one of the highest performing features inside Vitals. Now, you might be looking for something called frequently bought together, but here's the key thing to understand. It's not a separate feature anymore. Vitals has combined frequently bought together, cross-sells, and bundles into one system called product bundles. The idea is simple. When a customer views a product, you show them complementary items that naturally go with it. Think of it how Amazon shows frequently bought together. This works well because it removes friction. Instead of forcing customers to browse your store to figure out what else they need, you're showing them exactly what pairs well with the product that they're already interested in. Once you're in Vitals, in the left column, scroll down to Widgets, then scroll down until you see Upsells and AOV. You will then see Product Bundle. We will then select Create. From here, you have 2 main options. You can manually choose products, or you can use the Smart feature to automatically generate recommendations. As you can see, you have product from slot A, any product or specific product or collection, and then products from slot B, Smart Match, same collection or specific product or collection. And you can also allow customers to change a product from the bundle. For most stores, automatic works well. But if you really want to maximize conversions, manual bundles are stronger because you control the combination. For example, if you sell skincare, a cleanser, a moisturizer, a serum, those 3 naturally belong together. When you present them as a bundle or frequently bought together, customers are more likely to buy all 3 than just one. Best practices: keep your bundles small. Ideally 2 to 3 products. Too many options can overwhelm the customer and reduce conversions. Also consider adding a small discount, something like buy all 3 and save 10%. That small incentive can make a big difference in pushing customers to increase their order size. Why this works? Product bundles work because they simplify decision making. Customers don't want to research every product individually. They want a clear recommendation. When you present a bundle, you're positioning it as, this is everything you need. And that positioning naturally increases both perceived value and average order value. The second widget is free shipping progress bar. This is one of the simplest features inside Vitals, but it's extremely effective. The free shipping progress bar shows customers how close they are to qualifying to free shipping. For example, spend $12 more to unlock free shipping. This works because it triggers a behavioral effect known as goal gradient bias. Once people see progress towards a reward, they're more likely to complete it. Inside Vitals, go to Widgets in the left column and then select Cart. Scroll down until you find free shipping for orders over and then select Create. Then you want to make sure that your status is active, free shipping bar, or you can give it another name. You then want to create your settings. Next, you want to create your threshold. For example, free shipping for orders over $75, only certain amount away from free shipping, and then you can edit the message. Congratulations, you've got free shipping. You can display this only in cart drawer, and then you can select the theme style. The bar updates dynamically as customers add items to their cart. This encourages them to add another item instead of checking out immediately. Your free shipping threshold should be slightly above your current AOV. For example, if your AOV is $52, set free shipping at $65 or $70. That gap encourages customers to add one more item. The third widget is Cart Upsells. Cart Upsell appears when customers open their shopping cart. This is another powerful moment in the buying process. The customer has already decided to buy something. Now the question becomes, can we add one more item? Inside Vitals, scroll down to Apps, then type in Upsells. You can then select the one that suits your needs. You then have a number of different options that you can choose from. For example, you could say buy X and get Y and offer a discount on that product. For example, if a customer adds running shoes to their cart, recommend running socks, water bottles, athletic insoles. Make sure that you keep upsell products relatively at a low cost. Small add-ons convert better than expensive upsells. Why cart upsells work? At the cart stage, customers have already committed mentally to buying. Adding a $10 or $15 item feels easy compared to the main purchase. This makes cart upsells one of the easiest ways to increase AOV. And widget number 4 is post-purchase upsells. The final high-impact feature is post-purchase upsells. These appear after the customer completes their checkout. At this point, the purchase is already confirmed. Now you present a one-click additional offer. Because payment details are already processed, customers can accept the upsell instantly. Inside Vitals, go back to the app page and go back to upsells, create an upsell offer, scroll down to one-click post-purchase. You can then set the trigger on any order, specific products or collections, order quantity or order value. So we will select any order and then continue to offer. You can select the product included in the offer, same product as ordered, most expensive, least expensive, random, or a specific product or collection. You want to make sure that you choose a complementary product. Offer a limited time discount. For example, add this item to your cart for 20% off. Because the customer already completed the purchase, these offers often convert well. Now let's talk about widgets that can hurt performance if overused. Countdown timers, fake scarcity alerts, too many trust badges, and too many pop-ups. While these features can work, overusing them makes a store feel spammy. Focus on value-based widgets rather than pressure tactics. The biggest mistake with Vitals is enabling too many features. Your product page should remain clean and focused. Here's a good rule of thumb. Use 2 to 3 widgets per page, not 10. Each widget should serve a clear purpose. Either increase AOV, increase trust, or reduce friction. If it doesn't do one of those things, remove it. Now, where you place widgets matters. For example, frequently bought together should appear near to the add to cart section. Free shipping bars should appear near the cart. Bundles should appear near descriptions, and placement should feel natural, not forced. After configuring your widgets, make sure that you test everything. Place a test order and verify. Bundles apply correctly. Discounts calculate properly. Upsells appear when expected. Free shipping bars update dynamically. Never assume automation performs perfectly without testing it. Once your widgets are live, track the impact. Monitor metrics like average order value, conversion rate, revenue per visitor. If AOV increases without hurting conversions, your setup is working. If conversions drop, you may have added too much complexity. Here's a real-world scenario. Let's say a Shopify store selling supplements installs vitals. They add frequently bought together for protein powders and shaker bottles, a free shipping bar at $75, cart upsells recommending vitamins, post-purchase upsells, offering workout guides. Within a month, AOV increases from $48 to $68. That's a significant revenue boost without increasing ad spend. Vitals is one of Shopify's most powerful apps because it consolidates many revenue driving tools in one place. But the goal isn't to activate every feature. The goal is to use the right widgets strategically. Focus on bundles, upsells, free shipping incentives, and complementary product suggestions. Those features consistently increase order value. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one using the link in the description below. That link gets you a 7-day free trial. This is an affiliate link, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using those links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.